if you have one of these Winegard Air360 Plus rooftop antenna systems pre-installed on your RV, and there are thousands of these out there, then WiFiRanger has a new LTE connectivity and router option that's designed to go with this. Hi, I'm Andy with the Mobile Internet Resource Center. So the new router from WiFiRanger that's designed to go with the Winegard Air360 Plus antenna system is called the Osprey. Now the Winegard system is designed primarily as a TV antenna, but it also has cellular and Wi-Fi antennas. The TV antenna is here in the top of the dome, and then these are the two LTE antennas, and it also has a Wi-Fi antenna. These are connected to short cables that go to the inside of the RV, in the ceiling of the RV, right below the dome. And then this system is designed to connect to a router that's designed to work with this, such as this new Osprey. Now the Osprey is not the first connected option to go with the Winegard Air360 system. For a couple of years now, Winegard has had its own router called the GW1000 Gateway router, but this is a pretty low-end device with really basic features and only a low-performing LTE Cat4 modem. Hasn't been very interesting. But WiFiRanger's upped the game a little bit by offering the Osprey, which comes in a Cat6 version for $399 and a Cat12 version for $499. Now you may be wondering, why is WiFiRanger making gear for Winegard? Well, the reason is a couple of years ago, Winegard acquired WiFiRanger, and the Osprey is the first product that collaborates between their two product lines. So the WiFiRanger Osprey is really a dedicated device that's designed only to be used with this system. And it does, however, come with all of WiFiRanger's features. It uses the same firmware as other WiFiRanger products, and it has most of the same capabilities as other WiFiRanger products. For example, it has a USB port, so it can do USB tethering of iPhones, mobile hotspots, and other devices. And it has a LAN port for connecting Ethernet devices, but unfortunately this is only a 100 megabit per second port. We would have preferred to see a 1 gigabit port, but it is what it is. And it also has WiFiRanger's strength of Wi-Fi as WAN, the ability to connect to Wi-Fi access points at campgrounds or other public places. And so it has all of WiFiRanger's features in a package that's specifically designed to go with this system. Now what's unusual about this are the connectors. Most cellular routers use SMA connectors, but for some reason when Winegard created the Air360 system, they use these little connectors called MCX. And so the WiFiRanger Osprey also has MCX connectors so that they can just plug right into there. Additionally, there's a power plug, and it's the same power plug that's used on the gateway. So again, if somebody has a gateway, they can upgrade that, just unplug the gateway and plug in the WiFiRanger, and they're good to go. So how this works is, when this is pre-installed at the factory, there's a little cover in the RV ceiling that hides all the wires. You get your Osprey, and there's a mounting plate here to mount up onto the ceiling where those wires come out. And then the Osprey itself plugs in to that and hangs from the ceiling with the wires connected. And then there is a little cover plate that covers those wires so that all you see on your ceiling is a little white box. So this makes it very easy to install, and it has all the advantages of having the antennas already installed at the factory, so you don't need to worry about buying a rooftop cellular antenna or cutting additional holes in your roof. If you have one of these systems, you can get one of these routers, and it literally is plug and play to get you online LTE and Wi-Fi connectivity. So we're going to be putting this system through its paces, and we'll be testing it against other gear. Members of the Mobile Internet Resource Center can follow along with that in our testing forum. And then eventually, once our complete review is done, our members will have access to the full review to decide whether this is a good option for them or not. So that's it for now, the WiFiRanger Osprey. It's a very interesting solution, and with all the thousands and thousands of Winegard Air360 systems out there, it could be a good option to add easy LTE connectivity to your existing RV. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.